Okay, so quick and dirty YouTube thumbnails. You see I have my Hustle Sauce thumbnail right here on the latest video. Go over to Google Draw. Of course, you could use Canva or something more sophisticated for this, but what I like to do is just use Lightshot Screenshot or any screencasting software. So in this case, I just hit my print screen. I get my Lightshot Screenshot button, and the magic number is 640 by 360. So I draw my box. You can see the numbers changing right there. And then just kind of put it somewhere cool. Save it. Hustle thumb. And it's that quick and easy. So I know people obsess over thumbnails. To try to, everybody's doing those same kind of like gamer, weird, maybe Canva animated. I don't know what software they're using, but those are getting tired. But you can do something quick and ugly, just like this right here. Just use your screenshotting software here. I'll show you Lightshot Screenshot in case you need a screenshotting software. Windows has one built in. Command-Shift-4 on Mac has one built in. But this is Lightshot Screenshot capture tool, totally free. And I like it because I can quickly annotate stuff, you know. So if I wanted to just kind of draw a box and start to draw things like that, and I wanted to upload it or share it, it's very easy to use. So Lightshot Screenshot and YouTube thumbnails down and dirty and quick here at Hustle Sauce.